In just a few months, I'm heading to the jungles of Belize. I'll be living in a hammock, learning Mayan survival skills, and spending a day at sea off the coast. Starting today, I'm bringing you with me. You see, values are what we want to be. They're goals that support our values. They give us energy. They energize us. I'm energized to take on this challenge because I'm committed to living a life in harmony with nature. The pursuit of this goal is challenging. I live in a society that does not willingly share this vision. I grew up and continue to live in a suburban area because my relationships and my social connections are there. And while it's not the most ecologically harmonious place to live, I do deeply value those social connections. So you see, I struggle with an inner conflict of value between harmonizing with nature and honoring my social relationships. So I take these annual trips and workshop classes to sharpen my connections with nature. Even though I live in a rather non-nature connected place the rest of the year. But these annual trips really get me jazzed. They get me really excited. Because someday I want to live independently from modern conveniences and be able to comfortably thrive in a self-sufficient environment, in a nature-attuned lifestyle. Will I ever get there? I don't know. I keep taking these trips and find new ways to integrate nature into my life. And I hope that one day I can fulfill my dream without having to sacrifice the relationships of those I love and care about. I don't think I could ever make that decision. It feels like chopping off a limb. So in the meantime, I take these annual excursions. I put myself in uncomfortable positions, like being surrounded by frickin' mosquito-infested forests and jungles. And I'd like to take them more frequently, perhaps seasonally. I'm inviting you to come along. In this video series, I'll show you what I'm going to prepare for and how I'm preparing for the Belizean jungle. This trip isn't just an adventure. It's a way for me to reconnect with the natural world, to challenge myself, and test what I've been learning about regarding wilderness skills, mindset, and meaning. Part personal growth, part field experiment. On the itinerary, we'll be spending a few days in the deep jungle survival. Then we're headed out to sea, visiting the Mayan jungle and exploring Mayan ruins. I'm super excited about it. I'll be joining a small group of trusted friends who are also trained survivalists like myself, guided by an expert in jungle survival and Mayan plant wisdom. We'll be staying on a farm nestled amid the jungle lands, exploring ruins and caves and learning how to live close to the land. Over the next 6 weeks, I'll be training, testing gear, hiking with my pack, and revisiting essential survival skills like mindset, conditioning myself for fear and mental prep, learning how to set up my hammock, fire building skills, trap making, water filtration, learning about the lay of the land. I'll be sharing my preparations and challenges, what I'm packing, how I'm training, and what I'm learning along the way. This is the beginning of a series, sort of a training arc for the journey ahead. So, if you're curious about adventure or nature or what it takes to get jungle ready, subscribe, follow along, and get ready for the ride. This is going to be wild. I'll see you in the next one.